taking type 2 example. What is type 2 example? The coefficient of x square is not 1. Okay, you will get an idea if you see the question. Say for example 3x square minus 21x plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is also a quadratic equation, right? But unfortunately the coefficient of x square is not equal to 1. What is the coefficient? That is 3. In that case we will use a small technique. So what is a small technique for doing the completion of square? So you can take 3 common from these two. It becomes what? If I am taking 3 common, it becomes x square minus, I am taking 3 common from these two terms, first two terms. Okay, so I am taking 3 from these two terms, first two terms. So if I am taking 3 from these two terms, it becomes x square minus 7x plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, is equal to 0. Now you should make the completion of square inside this bracket. So that is our technique. I hope you got it. I repeat. So we will do the same procedure as type 1 inside this bracket. How? Let's see. So 3 into, so what is this? X square. So you write x. Then what is this sign? That is minus. So you put minus. So what is the half of 7? That is 7 over 2, right? 7 over 2. So x minus 7 over 2 whole square. Then irrespective of this sign, even if it is plus or minus, you have to put minus. Minus half of, square of 7 by 2. So what is square of 7 by 2? That is going to be,
That's going to be 49 over 4 plus 9 equal to 0.
So the answer is 3 into x minus 7 by 2 whole square minus 49 by 4. 49. Okay, so 49 by 4 plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so you try to expand the bracket. Okay, so we need to be little careful while expanding the bracket. It is not as simple as type 1. So you be little bit careful in expanding the bracket. So 3 times this and 3 times minus 49 by 4. So it going to be 3 times x minus 7 over 2 whole square minus 3 times 49 over 4. So what is 3 times 49 over 4? It is going to be 147 over 4. So this is going to be 147 over 4 plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is equal to 0. So x minus 7 by 2 whole square minus 147, because 3 times 49 is 149. Then what is 147 divided by 4 plus 9, that is equal to 0. Clear? So you can bring this minus 147 over 4 to that side, and even you can bring that 9 to this side. So ultimately what happens is simple. 3 times x minus 7 by 2 whole square is equal to 147 over 4 minus 9. 147 over 4 minus 9. Okay, so that is what is the value? 147 over 4 minus 9, that is going to be 147 minus 36 over 4. So that is 3 times x minus 7 by 2 whole square. So 3 times x minus 7 by 2 whole square is equal to 147 minus 36. So what is the value? 147 minus 36. It is going to be, I guess, it is 111. 111. So 111 over 4. So 3 times x minus 7 by 2 whole square is equal to 111 by 4. Therefore, x minus 7 by 2 whole square. So you can do some little algebraic x operations. So 3 is multiplied with this. So if you are bringing this 3 to this side, it becomes 4 times 3. So x minus 7 by 2, because x is stuck inside the square, so we have to take the square root on both sides. So what happens? 111 by 12, we are taking the square root at plus or minus 111 by 12. That is the value of x minus 7 by 2. Okay, so x minus 7 by 2 is equal to plus or minus root of 111 over 12. Now, so we need to find the value of x, right? So x is equal to, you can bring this minus 7 by 2 to that side. So it becomes plus 7 by 2, because minus is going to that side. Plus or minus root of 111 over 12. So first value of x is equal to 7 over 2 plus root of 111 over 12, or another value is equal to 7 by 2 minus root of 111 over 2. You can further simplify. Okay, if you are using a calculator, you can further simplify this answer. Okay, so if you are writing in the root 10, we are getting the two solutions.
So guys, I hope you understood the concept about the method of completion to solve a quadratic equation, right? So please do subscribe my YouTube channel and please share my videos to your friends. Okay, so if you have any queries, you can mail me at thematiclectures@gmail.com, and we will see you in future with more updated videos. So stay tuned. Bye bye.